Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone, and in today's What the Fork episode, we're going to talk about avocado toast. Well, sorta. Avocado toast chocolate. Yeah, someone went ahead and put avocado toast into chocolate. Why? I don't know. But before I dive into that, I want to know what's the weirdest thing that you've actually eaten with chocolate. Because there's some definitely crazy combinations out there, both in chocolate bars and just, what the chefs are doing in restaurants. So if you've had some sort of interesting combination of chocolate and something else, drop a comment. I want to actually hear about it. It's no surprise though, avocado toast is super popular. Just on Instagram alone, there's like 900,000 posts of pictures of avocado smeared onto toast. So the fact that someone actually took it to the next level and put it into a chocolate bar, not completely surprising, but still, in my opinion, kind of gross. And don't get me wrong, I love avocado toast. I've been eating it for years. It's a favorite of mine. It's a great snack. And I do lots of weird things with the avocado myself. Like I've definitely used that fruit, yes, avocado is a fruit, in many different ways throughout the years, outside of like the typical guacamole. But putting it into chocolate, I don't know. I think like avocado, it's sort of like this culinary STD, right? It's like salted caramel. It's just people love it so much, they like to put it in everything. And sometimes it just doesn't really make sense. To me, the avocado toast chocolate is one of those occasions. But like I said, I really want to know what you think about it. So please drop a comment and let me know. So when I was researching this, looking for weird things that people had done with avocados, I actually came across avocado condoms. Now, it ended up just being an April Fool's joke. It wasn't actually a real thing, but I was like, please tell me this is not true. Like, no, this can't be true. The thing that's strange to me about the avocado toast chocolate is it's not just like flavor that way, it's actually chocolate that has bits of like avocado and actual bread inside of it. So you have this like savory avocado toast dish that's been kind of chopped up and then like wrapped in white chocolate. Yeah, I don't even know how to react to that. And like I said, I have definitely done my share of avocadoing food. Like I've done everything from puddings to popsicles to margaritas, things that you don't typically expect an avocado in. And in fact, in other countries, avocado is really enjoyed more as the fruit that it is. The chocolate, not white chocolate like this chocolate bar that I'm talking about, but actually dark chocolate and avocado are a pretty common combination. Like in South America, you see lots of different desserts and milkshakes and just other things that combine those two because it is a fruit. But avocado toast, I'm just not really sure about. Having a hard time with this one. So like I said, I really want to know, does this sound like something that you would try? Would you try it if it was around? I would actually try it, but this chocolate bar costs like 10 bucks. I don't think I would buy one. I might buy one with a couple of friends just to give it a whirl, but it's not something I would invest in. So tell me, I want to know, would you try it? Would you buy it? And also, once again, what's the weirdest thing that you've eaten with avocado? Like, what's the weirdest combination you had? I think some of the things I've seen out there like chocolate bars with like bacon in it and various other things. So tell me what you have tried. I really want to know. And I'll see you guys next time.